Okay, it's currently 8 in the evening. It's been a bit of a crap day, but I'm going to make a coffee. I can't drink because I'm on medication. So really? So I'm going to make a brew and basically show you what I'm trying to do, what I'm attempting to do, and what has gone on today. Which today has been one thing after another. I really need to shave. That is incredibly bushy. So, does kettle need filling up? Of course it does. Doing this all one-handed. This is going to be fun. Really need to go for a pee now. Well, good stuff. We averted. Disaster was avoided. Your kettle's full. So we'll make a brew and see where we go from there. See you in a bit. Here you go. Oh, my painkillers. Why does the cat eat so damn loud? Whiskey. No, I'm not bothered. It's a fatty catty. Boil. I need coffee. Can't be asked to get a spoon, so I shall just tip it in. Nice equal measure. I've got a coffee machine, I just can't be asked using it. The missus is in bed, so I don't want to wake her up, it's rather noisy. Yeah, that'll do. I choose you. Sugar. Wow, I need a spoon for that. I'm not even going to risk tipping that in. Right, hopefully we've got some milk. Aha! We have milk. I can't. Oh! Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can open it. We got it. Oh, wow. Okay, not really. Sod it, be fine. No, that didn't work. Stay. Right, onwards. Rather dark. Where'd it go? Ooh, where'd it go? Oh my god, cat. Woohoo! Okay, sit rep. Tripod still up. It's in the way. Currently the PC has no glass because I'm sorting it all out. It's getting light on the subject. Need a light. There we go. Oh! Yes, currently we need bling. Bling, we have bling. Yeah, so currently only have one stick of memory in there because one bit of DRAM happened to die on me today. Right here. One dead stick of VRAM. Might store it inside R2, maybe. I wonder where that went. But yeah, that's the current setup. The glass is in the living room. It's my chair. Got a nice little unit. Yeah, unfortunately this room is used for drying clothes as well, along with a mess. And this sucker is going back. It's got bent pins Now it's meant to be going in that rig there, but it can't because that is broken. And here is the tower of the custom water loop. Now I've actually got some PC bits, some little bolts and screws and standoffs, so I can put the old motherboard into this. It is a acrylic front glass panel. The front is, it's all plastic. It's a cool master case. It's a micro ATX case. It's actually quite decent on airflow, and I'm really actually looking forward to doing a custom water loop in this because it is really a decent case. But yeah, I've got an iMac. Oh, got a cat. Hello. Say hello, Biscuit. Say hello. 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 Yeah, you boo 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 boo. Good boy. So yeah. Really nothing much more to talk about. Unfortunately, I'll have to wait for tomorrow because I've got some new memory ordered. That should be coming tomorrow, hopefully. Then I can get the memory installed, I can get the case back on. What I've got to do then is wait for a replacement for that to be sent out, and we're all good and pretty decent. So, back to the kitchen. And the kettle's boiled. Ew. I am a god of hellfire. What? That's not how to make a coffee. That looks expensive, but it's not. We need a bigger spoon. Good. So we'll head into the living room. Not much to say really. Ooh. See, we don't really have much. Well, this place is going for decoration soon, it's getting redecorated, so it does for now. Just needs a bit of tarting up. Oh, there's the screen. Here's a glass panel. I'm currently sleeping on the sofa because of my sciatica. I don't really want to wake the missus up. And that's it really. Nothing much more to really say. Apart from memories died, gotten some new DRAM coming soon. And obviously I've got to wait for a message back from Amazon to see if I can get a replacement CPU to replace one that's got bent pins. But apart from that, it's all pretty good, so